Hey, this is Tyler from Mungap Films and welcome to Patetonga from round 2. Why do you always hurt yourself?
That is harsh.
You can't lie to a 10-year-old.
I'm not lying, I'm just pushing the limits. I'm going to stop hitting myself though, I'm excited.
Yeah, just a big get well to Steve. Really wish you were here racing with us today, and yeah, hope you get better soon. Not liking seeing you in hospital like this, so hurry up and join us at the track, you know.
Thinking of you, Steve. Get well soon.
Hey, Stephen Ricey here, mate. I hope you get well soon, bro.
I'm Bob McCleary and this is One Network News.
G'day Steve, Justin Macdonald here. Get well soon, mate. We're all looking out for you.
Hey Steve, I heard you had a big one, mate. I hope you're doing alright and get some strength to get back out there again. All the best, mate.
Hi, it's Andrew Sprout here. Get well soon, Steve.
Yeah, Patetonga Saturday night. Just want to wish well to Steve in hospital at the moment.
Get well soon, Steve.
Turbo Tonsils live loud and proud at Patetonga, and it's a special shout out to Stephen. Hope he gets well soon, and everybody thinking of him, and we'll have a special time, and looking forward to Pukekohe 2 weeks away. Bring it on, Backflips Motocross Nationals, and mind the gap.